There is a fire extinguishing gas so perfect, airlines and militaries still hoard it today, even though manufacturing a single new drop has been globally banned since 1994. Water kills fires, but it also destroys sensitive electronics. This gas neutralizes massive infernos without leaving a single drop of residue behind. It's an invisible shield known as a clean agent. Instead of just cooling or smothering the flames, it acts as a chemical inhibitor. The molecule binds directly to reactive fire particles, instantly snapping the combustion chain reaction. But the exact chemical stability that makes it an unmatched fire killer creates a devastating paradox. Because it doesn't break down in the heat, the intact molecule drifts upward, eventually reaching the stratosphere. There, harsh solar radiation finally shatters it. This unleashes halogen atoms that aggressively shred the Earth's protective ozone layer. Realizing the environmental cost was too high, the 1994 Montreal Protocol forced the world to halt all production. Today, we protect our data centers with modern, eco-friendly alternatives like FM200. They mimic that flawless residue-free protection without punching a hole in our sky.